Hi, welcome to this section, Docker Images and Docker Registry. In this section, we learn a bit more about Docker images, Docker registries and their relationships. First, we look into the Docker registry and their relevance. Then the Docker Hub, where we will explore Docker Hub repository of images. Next, Docker Images again, where we will learn a bit more into images, tags, and see how it's related to Docker registries. Then on to managing Docker images. Here we'll be learning how to manage Docker images using the Docker client commands. After quickly summarizing this section, we'll have an interesting mini project. Make sure you try it out. What are Docker registries? A Docker registry is where Docker images are stored. As we have seen in the previous section, these images can be public or private. The two public Docker registries are Docker Hub and Docker Cloud. By default, Docker is configured to look for images in Docker Hub. Now, what exactly do we mean by look for images? In order for us to run a Docker container, Docker will need its corresponding Docker image on the same local machine where we want to run the container. Docker will first check whether the image is already downloaded and present in the local machine. If it is there, then it will proceed with creating and running the container. But if the image is not there in the local machine, it will check the Docker Hub repository for the image. It will pull or save it to the local machine first and then create and run the container based on it. In this video, we learned about Docker registry